Ready to turn your design dreams into digital reality? AutoCAD is the industry-standard software that can help you bring your ideas to life with precision and efficiency. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video series is designed to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive into AutoCAD. This powerful tool is used by professionals across various fields, including architecture, engineering, and graphic design. With its robust features and versatile capabilities, AutoCAD can handle everything from simple sketches to complex 3D models. AutoCAD 101 is here to guide you from zero to hero in no time. We'll start with the basics, ensuring you have a solid foundation before moving on to more advanced techniques. By the end of this series, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle any design project with confidence. Whether you're into architecture, engineering, or design, AutoCAD is your ultimate tool. Its comprehensive suite of features allows you to create detailed plans, technical drawings, and innovative designs. No matter your field, mastering AutoCAD will give you a competitive edge. In this video series, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques. We'll explore essential commands, tools, and workflows that will help you become proficient in AutoCAD. Each tutorial is designed to build on the previous one, ensuring a smooth learning curve. First things first, let's get AutoCAD installed. Having the software ready on your computer is the first step towards mastering it. We'll walk you through the process to ensure you have everything set up correctly. Head to the Autodesk website, download AutoCAD, and follow the installation prompts. Make sure your system meets the necessary requirements to run the software smoothly. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install AutoCAD on your computer. Once installed, it's time to set up your workspace. A well-organized workspace can significantly enhance your productivity and make your design process more efficient. We'll show you how to customize the interface to suit your workflow. Customize the interface to suit your workflow and boost efficiency. You can adjust toolbars, palettes, and menus to create a workspace that feels intuitive and comfortable. Personalizing your workspace will help you work more efficiently and reduce the time spent searching for tools. Now let's understand the interface. Familiarizing yourself with the layout and key components of AutoCAD is crucial for a smooth workflow. We'll break down the main elements of the interface so you can navigate it with ease. You've got your command line, toolbars, and workspace. The command line is where you'll input commands and receive feedback from the software. Toolbars provide quick access to commonly used tools, and the workspace is where you'll create and edit your designs. Familiarize yourself with these key features to navigate AutoCAD like a pro. Understanding how to use the command line, toolbars, and workspace efficiently will save you time and make your design process more streamlined. Next up, basic drawing commands. These are the building blocks of any design in AutoCAD. We'll start with simple shapes and gradually move on to more complex drawings. Learn to draw lines, circles, rectangles, and arcs using the coordinate system for precision. The coordinate system allows you to create accurate and precise drawings, which is essential for any professional design work. Moving on to editing tools. These tools are essential for modifying and refining your drawings. We'll cover the most commonly used editing commands and show you how to use them effectively. Master the art of moving, copying, rotating, scaling, and mirroring objects. These commands allow you to manipulate your drawings with precision and ease, making it easier to achieve the desired results. These tools are essential for editing your drawings effectively. Knowing how to use them will help you make quick adjustments and improvements to your designs, saving you time and effort. Layers and object properties are crucial for organization. Layers allow you to separate different elements of your drawing, making it easier to manage and edit complex designs. Object properties let you control the appearance and behavior of individual elements. Create, manage, and assign properties to layers to keep your drawings tidy. Proper layer management is essential for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow, especially when working on large or complex projects. Let's create a simple project. This hands-on exercise will help you apply the concepts and commands we've covered so far. By working on a real project, you'll gain practical experience and build confidence in your skills. Follow along as we draw a floor plan of a small room, applying the commands and tools we've covered. This project will give you a taste of what it's like to work on a real design in AutoCAD, and you'll see how all the pieces come together. Now for some tips and tricks. These productivity hacks will help you work more efficiently and get the most out of AutoCAD. We'll share some of our favorite shortcuts and techniques that can save you time and effort. Boost your productivity with useful shortcuts and avoid common beginner mistakes. Knowing these tips will help you work smarter, not harder, and make your design process more enjoyable. Got questions or topics you want covered? We're here to help. Engaging with the community and asking questions is a great way to deepen your understanding and get the support you need. Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you and are always looking for ways to improve our content. Your feedback helps us create better tutorials and address the topics that matter most to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you found this helpful. Supporting our channel helps us continue to create high-quality content and reach more people who can benefit from our tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive into advanced drawing techniques and working with blocks. Happy designing! We'll explore more complex commands and workflows that will take your AutoCAD skills to the next level. Whether you're looking to create intricate designs or streamline your workflow, our upcoming tutorials will provide the insights and techniques you need to succeed.